Patterns in nature. Patterns in nature are visible regularities of form found in the natural world. These patterns occur in different contexts and can sometimes be modeled mathematically. 5 types of pattern in nature: symmetrical, fractal, spiral, tessellation, and meanders. First is symmetrical. What is symmetrical? It is a shape that is identical to the other shape when it is moved, flipped, or rotated. Example is the plant caladium. Another example is the gomphrena. Next is fractal. What is fractal? It is an infinitely self-iterated mathematical construct having fractal dimension. Example is the fern plant. Another example is the vergate wormwood. Third pattern is the spiral. What is spiral? It is a curve which emanates from a point moving farther away as it resolves around the point. One example is a top view of this corn plant. Another example is the millipede. Next pattern is the tessellation. What is tessellation? It is created when a shape is repeated over and over again, covering a plane without any gaps or overlap. Examples of these are the cracks in the soil. Another example is a pattern seen in this leaf. The last pattern is the meanders. What is a meander? It is a pattern in nature where curved lines are the dominant design. Examples of these are the curves seen in this creek.